Hello, this is Shanita, She Girly Girl, Love Gardening Life, and I'm just going to take a walk through my garden to see what's going on after the rain, 2 days of rain last week, and now it's a beautiful day. It was a beautiful day on yesterday too as well. Today is Tuesday. I think it's March the 8th. And I'm checking out my garden. Okay, with my okra here, this okra here, I put out some seeds. Let me see when I put these seeds out. Oh, do I have a date? I hate when I don't. March 18th. So the seeds are germinating. They did germinate here. But I have some that have not came up yet. And so I need to water this today. And my Brussels sprouts are doing well. Yellow onions are doing well. Look at yellow onions. They're doing well. Some are small. Some are pretty good size because it's getting lots of sun. Brussels sprouts. New sprouts coming in. And I need to go in and harvest these. That's coming in. Beautiful Brussels sprouts coming in. I'm going to show you my recipe. I'm going to show you my Brussels sprouts I cooked. They were so very good. So I need to go in and harvest some. That's coming in. Look at that big Brussels sprout there. Same over here. Big ones coming in. I need to just go in and harvest as they come in. Don't let them sit too long. I'm going to do that sometime this week. Now I'll put this in my compost. But with okra, it needs to be hot. It needs to be really hot for okra. So it has been cool this last week. So it's possible why the okra is not doing good germinating. So they love hot. In one video I put they love cold. So that's why I'm doing this video over. And this is my kettle panels that I did for my tomatoes. I have 2 tomatoes coming in here already. So I need to water. It's time to water. What a difference the days make. It rained Saturday and Sunday. Was it Saturday and Sunday of last week? I think it rained. But look, I have my bungees on here too, holding these up. I'm going to come out with a video showing that as well. These my bungees that I have on. Kind of keeping them off the ground. And I'm gonna come out show that video as well. So everything is looking good out here in my garden. Eggplants coming up. My eggplants, my peppers are doing well. I need to I saw a video where they were showing like 1, 2, and cutting this off at the top. I may need to look at that video again and see what to do. My zucchini, cucumbers, all that is doing well. I don't know what happened here in the middle. It's nothing there. I don't remember. It looked like it should have been something there. I don't know. I may need to put some seeds in there. cabbage is doing well. Pinto beans are doing well. Zucchini, cucumbers. I need to water because it's hot. Oh, look at this. Oh, my. Okay, I need to. Oh, that soil got soaking wet. That's not good. I smell it. That is not good. Where it rained. So they got soaking wet. So this soil may not be any more good. Ah. I'm gonna let it just dry out. I need to open it up and let it dry out. I definitely don't want it to mold. Oof, it smells. I smell it. So that's not good. It's sat in there too long. I have some little seedlings that I need to go in and put out as well. Have okra coming up in here. My red onions are looking good. Red onions, purple peas, corn. Yes, I need to water. Lots of water. Corn is looking good. Green beans are look at my babies are sprouting up. Green beans coming up. Peppers, pumpkins, yellow onions, red onions. I'm gonna pull this one because something was eating it up. But the leaves are good. I'm gonna keep the leaves. Cabbage is doing good. Kale is doing well. Mustard greens not doing good. I'm gonna pull this mustard green up. It's not doing well. It's time for it to be pulled up. This is a broccoli. I'm going to pull this up as well. And I'm going to plant something else around it, probably some watermelon. Garlic is doing good. Watermelon's doing well. So it's time for me to water. So I'm going to come out and water my garden. She Girly Girl. Love gardening and life. My name is Shanita. She Girly Girl, love gardening and life. And thank you so much for watching my channel and subscribing to my channel as well. Have an amazing day. If you like what I'm doing on my videos, you like my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you a part of my gardening channel. Thank you so very much for watching. Thank you. And She Girly Girl, love gardening life.